So this is the laundry area. Actually, the lower side is for the washing machine and the upper side is for the drying. Okay, and literally I like one thing over here. Once you take out the clothes from the drying section, you can literally wear that clothes directly. Okay, means like it is completely dried. They use heaters inside. Okay, and we need to place this type of card, okay, over here. So we need to first uh, recharge our card. This is a very small kiosk, we can say. So first we will insert our card and the balance is 1.75. so we'll press value. Selected is $10. We can recharge it. We can press enter. So here we need to tap this. Accepted. Receiving, processing, upload, thank you. So now the balance is 11.75. remove card, and now we can use it over here. Okay, so for cleaning clothes it's $2, and for drying clothes it's another $2. See here, it will say balance 11.75, press start. Okay, so that was all the thing. I will now clean my clothes. Thank you so much.